Quadratics, equation, parabolas and other graphs, exam practice question 25. Geordie throws a rock from the top of a 30-meter high cliff and its height is h meters above the sea is given by h equals 30 minus 5t squared, where t is in seconds. So the first thing I think about here is this c. I'm going to rewrite it so it's in the standard quadratic form. I'm just going to write it as negative 5t squared plus 30. So as we can see, the c is 30. And that's because the height of the cliff on where it's being dropped is at 30. So from this, it says find the exact time it takes for the rock to hit the water. So straight away, I know that I'm going at 30. I'm looking at where it crosses the x-intercept. So that means I know that my height must be 0. So if I just write it as 0 equals negative 5t squared plus 30 and solve for t, I'll find the x-intercept. So I take 30 from both sides, and that gets me negative 30 is equal to negative 5t squared. I divide both sides by negative 5. Negative 30 divided by 5 is 6 equals t squared. The opposite of squared is square root. So if I square root both sides, the squared cancels out. And that leaves me with t equals square root of 6. And that is my x-intercept. So I'll just put that roughly here. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is that shows me my intercept, and it says sketch the graph of h to t. So I don't need to do anything more here. All I need to do now is draw my line. So I know it started here and it dropped and went here. So I'm only drawing half of my parabola. Then the second thing it says, what is the exact time it takes for the rock to fall to a height of 20 meters? Well, I just need to change my equation. It's going to be h equals negative 5t squared because gravity's fall rate will always be the same. But instead of starting at 30 high, I'm starting at 20 high. I again make h 0 and I solve. I take away 20 from both sides. So I get negative 20 equals negative 5t squared. I then divide both sides by negative 5. Negative 20 divided by negative 5 is 4 equals t squared. I would like to get t by itself, so I square root both sides. And that gives me t equals the square root of 4, which is equal to 2. So the exact time it takes is 2 seconds.